In today's tutorial, we'll discuss how to output barcode data formats in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial where we're going to explore different output data formats using IronBarcode in a C# application. So we'll start with the NuGet Package Manager screen where I've already installed IronBarcode. You should install it first before writing any code. So let's move to the program.cs file. We begin by settling the license key for IronBarcode. In our main function, we call various methods to demonstrate IronBarcode's capabilities. These methods showcase different functionalities like BarcodeReader.readPDF, BarcodeReader.read, and BarcodeWriter.createBarcode. In the demonstrate barcode image method, we use BarcodeReader.readPDF to extract barcodes from PDF. The barcode results object are stored in a list and then saved as a multi-frame TIFF using any bitmap.saveAsTIFF. The demonstrate barcode type method employs BarcodeReader.read to scan an image file. For each barcode result, we access the toString and barcode type properties to display the barcode value and type. Next, the demonstrate binary value method uses BarcodeReader.read again, and it extracts the binary value from each barcode result and uses BarcodeWriter.createBarcode to generate new QR codes, which are then saved as PNGs. In demonstrate coordinates height width, we use BarcodeReader.read and access the points, width, and height properties of each barcode result. We then use any bitmap.redact to highlight the barcode areas. The demonstrate page number method utilizes BarcodeReader.readPDF. For each barcode result, we access the toString and page number properties to show which page each barcode is on. And finally, demonstrate page orientation and text value method uses BarcodeReader.readPDF. It accesses the toString, text, page orientation, and rotation properties of each barcode result for a comprehensive overview of the barcodes in the PDF. So now let's run the program and see the output. All right, our program executed successfully. On the console, you can see the output of different methods. So now let's take a look at the generated barcodes. Here are the images created by our program. We have a multi-frame TIFF file containing all the barcode images extracted from the PDF. Additionally, we have several PNG files showcasing QR codes generated from binary values. There's also a redacted image where barcodes were found and highlighted. That's it for today's video. We explored how to output various data formats using IronBarcode. You've seen how to read, process, and transform barcode data in different ways. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.